Let us walk you through how to fix SSD not showing in disk management. This problem can happen because the disk has not been initialized, the partition has not been created, or the storage drivers are outdated. The first step is to open disk management and rescan the disks. Press the Windows key, type disk management, then select create and format hard disk partitions. When the disk management window opens, click the action menu at the top and select rescan disks. Windows will scan the system again and detect any newly connected storage devices. After the scan completes, check if your SSD appears in the list. If the SSD appears but shows an unknown or not initialized, you need to initialize it before using it. Right-click the disk label on the left side and choose Initialize Disk. A window will appear asking you to select a partition style. Choose GPT if you're using a modern system and click OK. After initializing the disk, it should appear as unallocated space. If the SSD shows as unallocated, you need to create a new volume. Right-click the unallocated space and select New Simple Volume. The setup wizard will guide you through assigning a drive letter and formatting the drive. After completing the wizard, the SSD will appear in the File Explorer and be ready for use. If the SSD still does not appear, the next step is to update your storage drivers. Open Device Manager, expand disk drives and storage controllers, then create the drivers for those devices. Installing the latest drivers can help Windows detect the SSD correctly. You should also check your BIOS settings to ensure the SATA controller is set to AHCI mode. If your SSD was added to a Windows storage pool, remove it from the pool so Windows can recognize it as a normal drive. After completing the step, restart your computer and check disk management again. Your SSD should now appear and work normally.